More should be done to take advantage of the economic potential of higher education in Wales, according to the National Assembly for Wales's Enterprise and Learning Committee. Its report suggests a culture change is needed by both the Welsh Government and higher education institutions themselves to establish better relationships with businesses to create what it calls a hotbed atmosphere of knowledge exchange.
Well, the main findings of this report has been the need for higher education to be far more central to government thinking and planning in terms of the economic development of Wales. And the report has been well received. That aspect has certainly been well received, and it's something which we wish to see being developed to the future.
The report also highlights a significant funding gap between the sector in Wales compared with England. The committee wants to see an increase in the multiplier effect of higher education, where currently every £1 million invested in the sector generates £5.3 million for the Welsh economy.
I think it's an excellent report that maps out well what's needed to make sure that the interface between business and universities is improved and meets the needs of Wales, particularly those economic needs that are so focal at the moment in respect of the difficulties we have with the economy.
The report also recommends that the Welsh Government should work closely with the new Department for Business, Innovation and Skills in England to explore opportunities for innovation and investment.